Hey, what is up guys? I just got my hands on this USB DVR that will be paired with the aftermarket Android device on my 2007 Lexus IS350, and I'm going to show you how to install this and pair it to use it daily on the road. It's a pretty simple packaging. Let's see what's inside. So first of all, we have a 64 GB micro SD. It comes along with a USB cable wire and the DVR itself and an instruction manual. So this is the DVR camera that will go on the car. That's the adjustable camera, and that's a sticker. So ideally I'll be placing it somewhere here or here, depending on where the placement suits best. And with the instruction manual, I think it will be pretty easy to understand how to install it. Okay, so in the instruction manual it says I have to be connected to the Wi-Fi. So I've connected to my mobile data, and now I shall be able to see how it works. So first step is I have to connect this device with the wiring that was provided. So I'm going to first do that and then figure out the wiring internally. Okay, I just installed the memory card and then I will connect it with the wire that was provided. So the other thing I have to mention is that this wire connects with a USB cable with your Android device. Your aftermarket Android device should come with 2 USB outlets. So when I installed this aftermarket screen in the car, I made sure that I took out one of the female USB cables towards the outside for whatever purposes, to read flash drives, or in this case to read a DVR cable. So I'll go ahead and connect it, and then I'll follow the instructions that is provided in this sheet. I've connected the USB wire. I'll tuck the wire in later on after installation. So first step is I have to go to the file manager. There you go, here's the file manager, and I have to go to the USB disk and then click on UCAR DVR, and says install the HDR. It says application is installed. I'll open it. Okay, the app needs permission to perform update. I'm gonna grant it. I'm gonna allow from the source. Oh, there you go. Here's the file. There's a bit of reflection that you can see here. So before I install it, I have to make sure that I take out the screen protector. Because it's a camera lens, I need to have all clarity as much as possible. I can see from my screen that it is really clear. So there are a few things to note here. There is a setting here. When I click on this setting, I can see some of the options that I want to change. For example, the plug and play option. I can have the auto rotation, kilometers, miles, app update, etc. Recording. I can have it in different settings. Device. I can also have format card, etc. If I click on this option here, I can play the in-app video play. So I click on this and I can rotate it here. I probably can also fit this in-app screen to this startup here, and I'll check out that setting later on. So to update the app, we can go to the settings here and click on update, and it should go ahead and update the file. And after the update, we can find a new additional icon here for the lane assist, or however you call it. And now in the settings, you will have the ADAS. You can have the advanced driving system on. After turning it on, we'll see the configuration. So after a while, it will configure and then you will be good to go. For the configuration, it will give you a new message to say, adjust the camera to make sure that your vehicle is under the red line. So I'll have to adjust the camera here in order to make sure I follow what they say. There you go. So now my vehicle is below the red line. So let's go for a test drive and see how it works. We can see that automatically the camera is detecting the objects or the cars that are nearby. So this is how to install the USB DVR with your aftermarket Android screen. And if you've learned something new, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe.